YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get easy content about maths. So guys, today we will discuss question number 1, part number 2, size 2.4, because it's quite important. So I have solved all the parts for you guys. So do practice it so that you can get. So let's start. First, here is question 2x5 y minus 4 minus 8 y cube y square. What we will do to solve? Firstly, you are going to multiply 2 multiplied by minus 8. This will be minus 16. Then you are going to add x power is 5 minus 3, then y minus 4 plus 2. So minus 16 y square, and that is also minus 2. Now what you can do, either you can write here or like this. You can go downstairs, you can reciprocate to 16 y square and y square. So either both answers would be right, either this one, either this one. Now you're going to solve part number 2, which is part number 3. So part 3 is, if you read from your book also, that is x minus 2, then y minus 1, z minus 4 divided by x4, y minus 3, z0, and whole power minus 3. So now let's solve this question also. And how you will solve that? First, you can interchange it. Yes, you can reciprocate and have the sign positive. Firstly, so you will simply interchange it, or either you can solve. First, we can solve x minus 2 minus 4, then y minus 1 plus 3, z minus 1, because this would be equal to 1. Z power 0 would be equals to 1. Then, okay, simply you can write here. Either you can, because it's equal to 0, so that's irrelevant. So now x minus 6, y 2, and y square and z minus 4. Now because you have to reciprocate, or either you can multiply minus 3 in it. So minus 3, x minus 6 multiplied by minus 3, y 2 into minus 3, z minus 4 into minus 3. So it will be equals x 18, 6 3s are 18, y minus 6, and z would be and positive. So this is your answer. You can write x 18, y minus 16, z 12. Or either you can make a change over here, and in this question also you people can little bit change this. How you can write minus 16 x square, and this can be y square. Here also you can write, this is your answer now. You can write x 18, z 12 divided by y 6. Reciprocate. So this is the method to solve the question, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel, and you can get easy content about maths. And if you have any suggestions and inquiries, you may mention in the comment section.